Setting up your Deel account can seem like a bit of a hassle at first, but don't worry. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the process step by step. So by the end of this video, you'll be all set to start using Deel with ease. Make sure you stick around to the end because I'm also going to share how you can get access to Deel for free with some exclusive bonuses. Yes, you heard that right. First things first, head over to Deel's homepage. You'll want to click on the sign up button, which is usually right at the top. From there, you'll be asked to provide some basic details like your name, email address, and a secure password. Once you've filled everything out, Deel will send you a verification email. Just click the link in that email and you'll be back on track. Now that you're logged in, it's time to get things set up for your business. Deel is super flexible and lets you set up either a freelancer or company account. So, if you're a freelancer, you'll be selecting that option, and if you're a business, you'll choose company setup. For freelancers, Deel allows you to start creating contracts right away. You'll be asked to enter your personal details and payment preferences. This includes your preferred method of payment like PayPal, bank transfers, or even cryptocurrency. You'll also set your time zone and other country-specific information. Deel makes this super intuitive and quick, so don't stress. It only takes a few minutes. If you're a business setting up your Deel account, the process is similar, but includes adding your company details, such as your business name, address, and tax information. Once you've set up these details, you can start inviting team members to create their profiles and onboard them. Deel also allows you to manage all your contracts in one place, so you won't have to worry about chasing people for signatures. Everything is automated for you. Once you've inputted all your details, you can explore Deel's various features. One of the most valuable is their global payroll feature. Deel enables you to pay contractors or employees anywhere in the world without the hassle of international bank fees or complicated tax issues. All you need is to set up the payment schedule and Deel will handle the rest. Deel also offers document management, so you can securely store and share contracts, invoices, and other important paperwork all in one spot. You can upload documents straight into Deel and have them securely stored for future reference. When it comes to setting up your payment methods, Deel offers a variety of options. After selecting how you want to get paid, be sure to connect your bank account or PayPal for a seamless transfer process. Deel makes it so easy to track your earnings and expenses too, and all payments are processed in a secure environment. Before we wrap up, let me give you a little bonus. If you use the first link below, you'll gain access to Deel's platform for free, with exclusive bonuses that make it even easier to manage your contractors or employees and streamline your business operations. This is a special offer that you won't find elsewhere, so make sure to grab it while you can. By now, you should feel confident in your ability to set up your Deel account, whether you're a freelancer or a business. If you need help, Deel has an extensive knowledge base and support team that can guide you through any issues. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the link below for that exclusive offer. Get started on Deel today and take advantage of their extended free trial.